today's generation, having a Flutter-based mobile application is very important for every e-commerce business. Hi everyone, I am Nishtha and today we are introducing the CS-Cart Multivendor Mobile App. Now no need to develop an application that supports mobile, which is expensive and time consuming as well. The CS-Cart Multivendor Mobile App provides a complete mobile application and that too at an affordable price. It will help you to grow your business into the world of mobile, no matter you are a small business owner or a large enterprise. Today I will going to show you the backend configuration of this mobile application, that how you can configure this application from your CS-Cart backend panel, and will show you the front end in the upcoming video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now as you can see, we are on the CS-Cart backend panel, and with the help of email and the password we're going to sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will redirect towards the dashboard, and here on the dashboard now we'll move towards the add-ons and we'll navigate towards the manage add-ons. Then we'll click on Webkul Software Private Limited, and here you can see the Mobile option is there, as we have already installed this, so that's why we are able to see this Mobile option here. Now we'll click on this. So from this Mobile option, we will be able to do the general settings, and we can configure the mobile app from our backend panel the way we want to show it on our front end. So from this option, we can see the menus of our app. Like these are the menus which will going to reflect. And the next option is settings. Clicking on settings, you can see the general option. In the general option, you can enter these credentials like Google FCM project ID, Google FCM private key, email API key, you want to enable cache and cache type. The next option is application. From the application, you can be able to manage the App Store link. You want to enable or disable it. So accordingly, you can enable or disable the same from here. The next option is payment method. From the payment method, basically you can choose the payment or methods which you want to show to your customer on your storefront. And in the shipping methods, like the same way we can choose the payment method, here we can choose the shipping methods which we want to provide to our customer on our app. The next option is app configuration. From the app configuration, you can be able to configure your app the way you want to represent it on the front end, like the app icon view, how you want to show your app icon, and app category view, how you want to show the app category view, like in the default category or in the tab category view. The next is app theme mode, in which mode or in which theme you want to show your app, in the dark or in the light mode. The next is light mode theme configuration. From here you can configure the light mode options like the app button, app theme color, button text color, theme text color. From here you can manage the colors of these options. And the next one is dark mode theme option. From here you can configure the dark theme mode like app button color, app theme color, button text color and theme text color. From here you can manage the colors of your options, and once doing all these kind of changes, you will be able to save these options so that it will going to reflect on the storefront like the way we have managed it from our backend. Now the next option will navigate towards the Mobile. Here on the top you can see the Mobile option is there. Then we'll click on this banner. These are the basically menus which I have shown you in the general options, and now you can be able to configure these options and these menus from here. In the banners, from the plus option, if you want to create a new banner or you want to add a new banner, just click on this plus option and write down the banner name. Now the next option is you have to choose the banner type, and in the banner type, like if I am going to create the banner for the product, so I have to enter these details, and if I want to create the banner for the category. So just enter the category details. The next is external link, and the last one is no link. So basically, according to banner type, you have to enter the rest of the details for your banner. And once clicking on this save option or create option, the banner will going to save and it will going to reflect in the list as it is reflecting the previous one. And for editing or deleting the existing one, just click on this settings option. From here you can edit or delete the existing one, and for checking the status, just click on this active, or from here you can enable or disable your banner. The next option is feature category. From the feature category, you can be able to create a new category. Click on this plus option and write down the name of the category. Then you have to choose the categories, like that particular category which will going to come in which of these segments. So accordingly you have to choose that and then click on this save option. Once you create the category, it will going to reflect in this list as well. For editing or deleting the existing one, just click on this setting option and click on this edit or delete. For checking the status, click on this active. Now the next option is notification. From the notification, you will be able to configure the notifications of your app. For example, you want to notify your customer for any of the new details or for any of the new offers. So you can create a new notification for the same by clicking on this plus option and providing the details of your notification. You can be able to create a new one, or for editing the existing one, click on the settings option and you can check the status as well. Now the next option is pages. From the pages, you will be able to provide a kind of information of your app or of your company to your customers, like about company, privacy policies, or contact us details. As I have already created few of the pages, you can see, and for creating a new one, just click on this plus option and from there you can be able to create a new page. For editing the existing one, just click on this settings and click on edit or delete. The next we can see is augmented reality. From here you can be able to create an AR product. See, as I have already created few of the AR products, that's why they are visible here. For creating a new one, you can click on this plus option and can enter the details for your AR product, and it will going to reflect here in this list as well. For editing the existing one, just click on this settings option and click on edit or delete. And for checking the status, click on this active. The next option is we have walkthrough. Walkthrough is basically for providing an overview of your app to your customers. You can be able to create a new walkthrough clicking on this plus option and can add a new walkthrough for your mobile app. And for editing the existing one, just click on this edit delete, like the same way we are doing in this in our previous options. Now the next option is we have carousel. From the carousel option, you can be able to create or add a new carousel by clicking on this plus option. And for editing or deleting the existing one, like the same way we are doing in our previous option, you can check these settings. The next option is we have homepage configurator. From the homepage configurator, basically we all know that the homepage is the first impact on your customer. So from here you can be able to manage your homepage the way you want. For example, I want to delete any kind of information from my homepage, so just click on this delete option and can be able to create a new homepage as per my requirement, so that it will give a good impact on my customer. The next option is we have clear cache. By clicking on this clear cache, we can be able to clear the cache of the backend panel as the cache has been cleared. So like this, you can be able to manage your app and configure it from the backend panel and impress your customer the way they want.
Congratulations, you have successfully configured the backend settings of your CS-Cart Multivendor Mobile App. Now provide a smooth shopping experience to your customers. Found this video helpful? Do press the like button and share reviews in the comment section below. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.